Hi, welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Luigi Piva, investment manager at Elpis Investments. You can see our website here. You can find a lot of information about our AI-based trading, about the ICO that is happening right now, and about our performance. We started sending live trading signals in April, and you can see here how we perform thanks to our team, our trading team. Today, we are going to talk about a few important topics. Trading signals. What are trading signals? And why we base our management on trading signals and algorithmic trading. What is algorithmic trading and how is related to performance? As you can see, we have an open position, a short position of Bitcoin at the moment. We are in gain, and the algorithm will close the position before eventually this gain will become a loss. So we protect the profit. So this trade will not close with a loss. We don't trade cryptocurrency only. We trade also futures. This is a trade we had yesterday, an operation, a good one. We sold crude oil in the morning. We closed the position a few hours later. So as you can see, we place a lot of trades. This is how we carry on our trading activity. So we don't take a position and we hold the position for a very long time. We make a lot of different trades, and every trade has a positive expectation in terms of probability. Yesterday, I had a very interesting conversation, and someone asked me a very good question. He said, it seems too good to be true. If you look at the performance of the last months, he said, it looks too good to be true. The fact is that we had a drawdown. We had a drawdown at the beginning, as you can see here. Then we recovered. We had a small drawdown in the last couple of weeks, but as you can see, with the trade on crude oil, probably with this trade on Bitcoin, we will go back and make a new high in our equity line. So basically, these are the drawdowns that you can expect with our kind of activity based on a lot of trades with positive expectations. What you will never see is a drawdown like this. Drawdown caused by taking a position, holding a position when the market goes against you heavily. This happened to a lot of funds, long only funds, when cryptocurrencies started to go down in the last months. We will keep on talking about our trading activity, our algorithms in the next videos. So please stay in touch, contact us, use all our social media, and see you next week.